What happens when one of America's greatest luxury car makers refuses to give up during the darkest days of the Great Depression? This is the 1934 Pierce Arrow Model 840A Coupe, a masterpiece built in Buffalo, New York, at a time when the company was fighting for its very survival. For 1934, Pierce Arrow introduced smoother, more modern styling with graceful curves and redesigned fenders, while preserving the craftsmanship that made the brand legendary. Under the hood was a massive 6.3-liter inline-8 engine producing 140 horsepower, sending power through a 3-speed manual transmission. Despite its luxury and engineering, only 1,740 Pierce Arrow automobiles were built that year as sales continued to decline during the Great Depression. Today, the 1934 Model 840A stands as more than just a beautiful automobile. It's a reminder of an American company that refused to compromise on quality, even as the world around it was rapidly changing.